Welcome back to Rosemarie's Kitchen. I'm Judge Aquilina, 30th Circuit Court Judge, and I invite you into my kitchen so I can tell you how I feed my children. Today we are making bacon roll-ups, and you can stuff them with just about anything, and also Caprese salad skewers. Again, a take on a salad my kids will eat because it's on a stick. You can use a package of thick or thin bacon. Line a pan, and hopefully it has sides. If not, build up your foils to create sides. And you need cannoli forms. I prefer the non-stick Teflon ones, but any kind will work, especially with bacon. It slides off easy. You will wrap each cannoli form with a piece of bacon and place it on your pan. I put it in the lowest or second lowest rack in the oven at about 350 degrees, and midway I will turn it. And then you'll cook it about 20-25 minutes, but double check, every oven's different. You just want to make sure the bacon is crispy on all sides, not burned, crispy. And you pull it out of the oven, wait a few minutes so it can cool, and then slide each bacon roll off the cannoli form. I slide it right onto paper towel just to let it absorb the oil. And then I have my stuffing prepared. What you will see today is BLTs, a little twist on it. I take a Roma tomato that's very red, and I clean it out, and then I make it into strips. I do the same with cucumber. Clean out the seeds, put it into strips just a little bit longer than the bacons. And then I also peel an avocado that's perfectly ripe, not brown, good to eat, but not too mushy. And take the seed out, and then again make slices. And then I fill each bacon roll. Start with the soft and go to the more firm. So you'll start with adding a piece of avocado inside, then the tomato, and then the cucumber. If you want to put a couple of strips and you have room, that's fine. Every roll is going to be different based on how you slice your filling. Moving on to another way to do it is making scrambled eggs. I put in about 6 eggs into a bowl, add in about a 1/4 cup of whipping cream or milk if you prefer, a little bit of salt and pepper, scramble it, put about 2 tablespoons of butter in a frying pan on medium-high heat, and when the butter is almost melted, I pour in the eggs, let it sit for about a minute, and then I slowly go in like a shape of an 8. Works really well until all the eggs are cooked and you have scrambled eggs. Put that into a bowl, and then take a small spoon and then put the eggs into the bacon. My kids will eat bacon and eggs all day long like this. It's a great appetizer, it's a great meal. The Caprese salad skewers, really easy to make. Get balls of fresh mozzarella, fresh basil, and you need the long toothpicks and the little tomatoes. And I use the Kalamata olives. I start with putting a fresh basil, then the mozzarella, then the olive, another piece of basil, and then the tomato. And then I stick it onto the half wheel of cucumber and just make a pile of it. Sometimes you can stand up a few, they're really cute. And you serve it as is or with the balsamic vinaigrette, Italian dressing, whatever it is you like. These are really good for back to school. I will put a bacon roll-up or even an empty bacon roll-up in their lunch, and it's a way to get them to eat. See you next time in Rosemarie's Kitchen.